DebtBook's cash management application allows you to easily build accurate and reliable cash forecasts so you can invest and borrow more strategically and thereby improve your financial performance. Here's how one treasury manager, Jamie, uses it to do just that. Jamie wants to know what her cash position will look like a year from now. DebtBook makes it easy for her to click directly into a 13-month forecast, where she can see a detailed breakdown of how her cash position is expected to change over that time period. Jamie can quickly see if her account balances are projected to drop below the threshold amount she has set for the organization. Jamie can advance, and the forecast will update for the new period. Or she can zoom in to see what her position is expected to be at the end of the month, or even at the end of the week. Projections within the forecast are created through manual entries that Jamie can add herself on a one-off or recurring basis. Jamie can easily select from a variety of input parameters that best fit her projection. And she can also leverage our historical averages, which pre-populate recurring amounts based on the historical data loaded into DebtBook. When Jamie gets an update on a major capital project or receives new information requiring her to adjust an existing projection, she can easily do so within the forecast. This flexibility allows her to maintain accurate projections, ensuring she will have sufficient funds in her accounts at all times. And because Jamie's debt team also uses DebtBook, she will be able to see her debt service payments modeled into the cash forecast, allowing for better transparency and efficiency across the organization. Ready to better anticipate your cash needs and improve your financial outcomes? Visit DebtBook.com.